Good morning, boys and girls. We have a book today, and then we're going to do some writing. The book is just kind of a fun way to get us warmed up. This book is called I Just Forgot, and the author is Mercer Mayer. He's written a lot of books about this little critter. It's like a little critter family that you'll see. I just forgot. Sometimes I remember, and sometimes I just forget. This morning I remembered to brush my teeth, but I forgot to make my bed. Looks like he was a little bit messy when he was brushing his teeth. I put my dishes in the sink after breakfast, but I forgot to put the milk away. I almost forgot to feed the puppy, but he reminded me. Grrr. I didn't forget to water the plants. They looked fine to me. I didn't forget to feed the goldfish. He just didn't look hungry. I'll do it now, Mom. I got ready for school. I even got to the school bus on time. So he didn't water the plants. He said he didn't think they needed it, but his mom said they did. He didn't feed the goldfish. He thought it wasn't hungry, but his mom said it was. So I think he is forgetting some things. I forgot my lunchbox. Mom brought it to school for me. Thanks, Mom. After school, I went outside to play in the rain. I remembered to put on my rain slicker, but I forgot my rubber boots. And there's Mom bringing them out to him. When I came inside for a snack, I didn't forget to take my boots off. I left them on because I was going right back outside. Mom does not look happy. I had cookies and milk. I was just going to eat 3 cookies, but I forgot to count them. I didn't forget to shut the refrigerator door, though. I just wasn't finished eating yet. When Dad came home from work, I was supposed to get his paper. I didn't forget. The puppy just got it first. Oh no, poor Dad. I know it's time for bed. I didn't forget. Of course I'll remember to pick up my toys when I'm finished playing with them. I took my bath and remembered to wash behind my ears. I didn't use soap, but I didn't forget to. I just don't like soap. I guess I did forget to pick up my toys. Did I forget to turn off the tub too? Oh my goodness, look at that mess, boys and girls. But there is one thing I never forget. I always remember to have Mom read me a bedtime story. And I always remember to kiss her goodnight. Oh, I bet that makes up for all the forgetting he does during the day. That probably makes Mom feel a little bit better. All right, boys and girls, so sometimes we forget, but we don't need to forget quite as much as he does. All right, way back here at the beginning, he was talking about how he almost forgets to feed his puppy, but the puppy reminds him. So his puppy is his pet. He has a dog for a pet. We're going to do some writing today. You've got this page in your packet. You can work on it with me, or you can just watch and then do yours after we're finished. There's a spot for your name at the top. And there's a spot for the date. If we want to write the date, we could abbreviate it. Today is 12-3-20. The 12 is for December. December is the 12th month. It is the 3rd day in December. And the short way to write the year is just to say 20. Today is, all right, boys and girls, today is Thursday. Thursday. I hear that TH at the beginning. There it is. Thursday. All right, your question is, what do you think is the best pet? Now, they have 4 choices. Maybe your very, very, very favorite pet isn't on here. But out of these 4 choices, which one do you think is the best? We have cat, dog, bird, rabbit. All right, I'm going to circle dog just because we have a dog at home and I've always had a dog. That's the only pet I've ever had. So that's the only pet I really know about. So I'm choosing dog. You choose your favorite out of those 4. Cat, dog, bird, or rabbit. All right, then we are going to write a sentence about the pet we think is the best. Now you need to write about the one you circled. So if you circled about a cat, you're going to write about a cat. If you circled about the rabbit, that's what you were going to write about. We can all write the same sentence, but we each need to choose our own animal to put in there. So my sentence is going to say, I think a dog is the best pet. So I'm going to start my sentence with an uppercase letter. I'm going to start with an uppercase I. Then I'm going to leave a space. All right, here is the word think. Most of our words are here on our paper. So I'm going to write T-H-I-N-K. I think. I'll leave a space and write A, just a lowercase a. Boys and girls, when you are writing, if you need to go back and watch this video 2 or 3 times, you can. If you need to pause it or slow it down while you're writing, you can do that. I think a, now I'm going to choose dog because that's what I circled. You write the animal that you circled. I'm going to leave a space. Dog. D-O-G. And my G needs to go into the line. If you wrote about a bird, you should write the word bird. I think a dog, I'm going to leave a space, is I-S. And the rest of your words you're going to need are up there at the top. I think a dog is, I'm getting kind of close to the end of my line. I have plenty of space, so I'm going to go on to the beginning of the next line. I'm going to write the best pet. So the, uppercase T, H-E. I think a dog is the, we'll leave a space, best. Starts with the letter B. B-E-S-T. All right, and you can be looking right on my paper and copying what I'm writing as long as you used your own animal choice. We're all writing the same sentence, we just might have picked a different animal. My last word is pet. There it is, pet. Lowercase p, e, t. Make sure your p goes under the line. Make sure your t is tall. I think a dog is the best pet. I'm telling you something, so I need a period at the end. I'm telling you about what I think is the best pet. So it's a telling sentence. Your sentence should be just like mine. The only thing that might be different is the animal you picked. But we all should have written the same sentence. I think your animal is the best pet. All right, did you make sure to use a capital letter at the beginning? Yes. Did we leave spaces between our words? Yes. Do we have punctuation at the end? Yes. And then here's where you draw a picture of the animal that you picked. So if you picked dog, draw a dog. If you picked a cat, draw a cat. If you picked a bird, you'll have a bird. If you picked a rabbit, you could draw a rabbit. You can draw a picture of you with that animal or just that animal. All right, boys and girls, when you are finished, read your sentence to a grown-up, please. Mine says, I think a dog is the best pet. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.